Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gillian and today I'm doing another what I eat in a day while following Slimming World on a vegan lifestyle. So if you want to see what I'm having to eat today, then keep on watching. So I went to work this morning. It's currently 11:10, but I started at 9, so I had breakfast beforehand, but I was too tired to talk or film it properly, so I'll just insert the clip here. But I just had 2 chocolate weetabix with soy light milk as my hex B and my hex A for the day, and I've seemed to get my appetite back, which is really good because for a while there I wasn't feeling hungry in the morning for breakfast, but I'm hungry again now, so I'm glad that I have an appetite again and feel hungry for food. I think I kind of went off track for a little while and not eating right, and it's kind of messed up my appetite, but I have been back on plan for about 3-4 days now and I can already tell a difference. So yeah, it's all going positive. What was it? My Slimming World consultant says onwards and downwards on the scale or something like that. Anyway, I am gonna make some lunch because I'm back out at work for 1 o'clock and I won't be back till dinner time, so I need to eat now. The other day I batch cooked a Slimming World Cowboy Hotpot type thing, except I didn't do the potato on top. I just cooked the main bulk of it and then I had it last night and just cooked the potatoes separately, so I'm going to do that again. I'm going to make some mash to go on the side and then I will show you the Cowboy Hotpot. It's half a sin for the 2 sausages. They are the Fry's brand of sausages in the freezer section at the shop. You get 8 in the pack, so I've split the meal into 4 portions. That'll fill me up quite a bit because it's got the potatoes and a lot of veg in it, so yeah, I'll show you that just now.
Sunset slow, hey, you know you should stay for the night. What you think? One more drink while we sit by the bonfire. 'Cause this might be love. It's a feeling that I can't get rid of. So just take my hand, 'cause you know I don't wanna play pretend. Stay with me, take a chance, baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, 'cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise.
So I've got my sausages in the microwave and my potatoes are drained. I'm just going to mash them with a little bit of butter. I'll show you in a second. I'm going to mash it up first, then add the butter in a little minute. I just realised I wasn't even recording, but I've got my mashed potatoes and the vegan butter I'm using is this one. It's meant to be a Lure Pack dupe, and a tablespoon is 2.5 sins, but I'm going to measure it out, so I'm only using a teaspoon, but I'm measuring it so I can get the sins accurately. Just using these scales here. So only want about 5 grams. That's probably way more. Yeah, that's 10 grams. Okay, there we go, 5 grams. So I'll work out the sin value in a minute. I'm really bad at maths. Pop it in and I'll give it a good mash up. I'm also going to add the tiniest splash of Alpro soy light milk, just to make it a bit creamier, just a little droop. Okay, I'm going to get my beans out the microwave. I think it needs another 1 more minute and then I will show you it all plated up. So here is my cowboy pie or hot pot. I'll link the recipe down below, but basically it's the 2 Fry's sausages for half a sin. The second one is there. You mix in onions, carrots, tin of chopped tomatoes, tin of baked beans, tin of mixed beans. Like I said, I'll link the recipe down below, but it's a Slimming World recipe and it's free apart from whatever sausages you use. And then I've added a little bit of sweet corn just because I had some in the fridge needed to use up. Mashed potatoes. They're looking a little bit dry, but I want to save my sins for my dinner. I've been watching old videos of Olivia Elise on YouTube when she was vegan and doing Slimming World, so I found a video that she did where she had pizza that she made, like homemade crust and everything, and I just happened to have strong white flour and yeast in the cupboard, so I wanted to have that for dinner because I've really been craving pizza, but I don't want to have any more takeaways, so I'm gonna make that tonight. And I think it's 11 sins for the base and everything, so like I said, potatoes are a little bit dry, but I'm keeping my sins for dinner. And I can mix it in with the sauce, so it'll be fine. Let me just calculate the butter and then I'll come back to you and tell you the sins. Okay, so I've calculated the butter to be 1.5 sins per teaspoon, and then the sausages are half a sin, so total sin count for lunch is 2 sins, which is pretty good, which puts me on a total for the day on still 2 sins. I know there's not a lot of speed food on my plate for lunch, but I'm trying not to worry too much about it because I would get myself in a state trying to get so much speed food on the plate that if I didn't do it I would kind of go off the rails and go the total opposite way. So as long as there's free food on my plate and that it's on plan for the most part, then I am okay with that. I'm gonna go enjoy that and I will catch up with you after I finish work when I'm making my dinner. Hi guys, so I am back from work. It's like just after 4 and I popped by Morrison's while I was finishing work, so I thought I would show you what I got. I just got a few bits and bobs for my dinners over the next few days, and then it's my sister-in-law's, their first wedding anniversary tomorrow, so I got them a couple of bits as well. So I will show you that just now. It's not as big as my usual haul, but I'll start from the left. So I got them an anniversary card and a bottle of Prosecco, and also got ID'd for my Monster before I even got a chance, and I am 28, but I always get ID'd for stuff. Anyway, I got a Fanta lemon because I fancied it. I thought it'd be nice and refreshing with some ice. I also topped up our diluting juice stash. This is summer fruits. Behind there I've got a honeydew lemon. Trying to find things that are like refreshing to snack on, so I got the lemon, and then I got more apples as well. I got some potatoes to have either baked potatoes or make chips with. This was on offer. I can't remember how much it was, I'll check my receipt, but a couple of the bits were on offer. It was reduced to 59 pence, just like a kind of like Aldi, how they have some veg on offer. That was 59 pence. Then I got some sliced mushrooms for quickness. It wasn't that big a price difference, so I just got them sliced as they are. Some of it's for my pizza tonight and some of it I'm using for breakfast recipes. Up here I got some desiccated coconut. This is for some date energy balls that I'm going to be making. Over here I got a vegetable soup mix. This was £1, and I'm going to add some potato and lentils to that and make some lentil soup. Over here there's a coconut. I've never tried coconut before like this, so I thought it was interesting. It was on offer, so I decided that I would try it. That was only 59 pence. And then down here, this strange thing is a celeriac, and I've never tried this before either, but like I said, I've been watching Olivia Elise's old videos and she had made celeriac chips instead of normal chips, and she said it tasted like a mixture between potato and parsnip, and I like both of those vegetables, so hopefully I like this, and it's a speed food. We'll just go up here. Got my usual Monster that's it was on offer for 3 for £10, so I got 3 of those. I got a little packet of giant medjool dates for my protein balls. These were quite expensive, I think they were £2.50. Cherry tomatoes for my salads. Like I said, some apples. I got 2 packets because it was 2 for £3, and the bunnies like a bit of apple as well, so I thought I would definitely use it up by the date. And I think that's everything. It's a little tiny small haul compared to my usual, but that's what I bought. So I'm just gonna pop all my shopping away. I'm gonna snack on an apple, possibly a banana, depending on how hungry I am, because I don't want to start my dinner just yet. Ryan's just up from like being on night shift, so I'm gonna spend some time with him. And then I will show you how I make my pizza. Hopefully it goes to plan. And I've not ate anything else that I need to tell you guys about. I've just topped this up with ice because it got warm in my car. But this is my second, well, I had a full litre of water this morning, which was a big deal for me compared to what I usually have. I topped it up with a litre of diluting juice, apple and blackcurrant, when I went out to work. So I've just added some ice because it got warm in my car, and I'm going to finish this as well. And I think that's all I've got to update you guys on just now, but like I said, I'll show you my pizza tonight when I start making it. Okay guys, here is the dough. Ryan and I are halving this portion, so it'll be 12 sins for my portion. So hopefully it expands a bit because it looks quite small, but I'm just going to cover it with a tea towel for half an hour and I'll come back when it's ready to go. Alexa, set a timer for 30 minutes.
Second timer, 30 minutes, starting now.
Sorry if you can hear the air fryer over my voice, but the dough is ready. It's got quite big. I am now going to roll it into two and pop it on these baking sheets. My sauce is thickened up and looking good. So yeah, ready to assemble. So here is my little topping station. We've got mixed peppers, red onion, mushrooms, 40 grams of the Dyer cheese, the cheddar farmhouse block, that's my second healthy extra A for the day. And then I'm going to use one slice of vegan corn smoky ham, 3 slices, and this is free. So here's my pizza. It's smaller than I thought it was going to be, but I'm hoping it'll still turn out okay. And I've got chips in the air fryer anyway, and I might do a little side salad depending on how hungry I feel. It looks really yummy and it goes in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes until golden. So I will show you it when it's all done. Okay guys, my pizza is out the oven. It looks incredible. I'm so happy with it. Hopefully it tastes nice as well. So I'm going to plate it up and show you what it looks like all cut up. There we have it guys, 12 sins of deliciousness. So I'll let you know how it is after I've had it. Look how nice it looks. Everyone, so it's actually the next day. I'm so sorry I forgot to end yesterday's what I eat in a day, but that pizza was delicious. I will definitely be making it again. Ryan also really liked it, and yeah, I'm so glad I was able to try it. So that's another fake away option under my belt that I've got in case I fancy an actual takeaway pizza. I can just make one at home and it'll be less sins. So yeah, I miscalculated the fries sausages. I thought it was 2 for half a sin. They're actually 1 cent each. So my total sins for yesterday come at 15.5 sins. So slightly over, but still I'm pretty happy with that. It was a very unplanned day, and yeah, more of those to come, and then hopefully I'll see my weight loss when I can finally get to target, fingers crossed. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed and subscribe down below. It would really mean a lot to me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Sunset slow, hey, you know you should stay for the night. What you think? One more drink while we sit by the bonfire. 'Cause this might be love, it's a